Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Samsung washer leaking from the bottom in 2026. So before hopping on to the solution, we need to first of all understand what's actually happening here. So a bottom leak usually means that the water is escaping from the drain system or inlet connections or internal seals and pump area. So instead of guessing, we need to locate the source step by step. So first of all, you need to identify when the leak happens. This is really very important step. You can run a short cycle and observe leak during fill, leak during drain, or leak consistency. The time is going to tell you the exact problem. So if the leak is during fill, it is likely relating to inlet hose or wall. If it is during drain, it is likely pump or hose related issue. If leak is constantly, it's possible seal or internal cracks. So you need to now take a look at the back of the washer, tighten both hot and the cold water hoses and check for the cracks or loose fittings. Even a slightly loose connection can drip and collect underneath. After that, you need to also check the drain hose completely. You need to make sure that it is not cracked or worn out, properly connected as well. A small split in the hose can also leak the water only during draining. Now, if the leak appears from the underneath during the drain, you can also the drain pump or its connections may be leaking. So this is common issue if the debris damage seals or fittings. So you need to open the front panel and inspect the drain filter cap. If it is not tightened properly, the water will leak from the bottom. So in that case, you just have to clean and make sure that you secure it tightly. So you can try all of these methods one by one and see if your Samsung washer leaking problem is gone forever. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.